everyone else involved in making plans and taking care of the arrangements for this get-together tonight. And I think it's a big order for us to give him a big hand. As most of you know, Harry is, along with his mother, his grandmother, and father-in-law, are up there.
Amen.
Up there. They're looking down and seeing what is taking place here tonight. And they are pleased, well pleased. And I can hear Harry say, Daddy, thank everybody for coming. Tell them we miss them an awful lot. But to be mighty careful going home tonight through the holidays and many, many, many more years to come. And I too express myself with those same feelings. And it's a pleasure for me to see every one of you. And I'm delighted to be here myself at the ripe old age of 97. Folks, I too, again, would like to talk to you about going home from this gathering and watching your moves from now on and avoid all accidents and everything.
Time's up.
And I am delighted, especially delighted to see and greet every one of you. It's been a pleasure for me at the ripe old age that I am of 98 to be with you. May God bless and be with all of you and your families and see everyone safely home again from this get-together. And I wish you all a Merry, Merry Christmas.
We love you, Uncle Jim.
Miss Lad, is Lad here?
He left.
He's here. He was here. There he is.
What's I doing?
I just thank you for having us, and you were young.
Well, I thank you for coming.
Okay.
I was listening to you. I was right there.
Again, folks, I caution everybody to be careful on their way home, especially from this gathering. And hope you have a Merry, Merry Christmas. God bless. Good night.